The Professional Development Committee of the National Weather Association plays a vital role in fostering growth and collaboration within the weather community. Our committee covers the gamut of careers in meteorology, from broadcast to operational and education. Our unique backgrounds allow us to work together and create relevant content for meteorologists at any age or stage in their career. One of our cornerstone initiatives is the webinar program, which provides an accessible platform for NWA members to share knowledge, explore new technologies, and discuss advancements in meteorology and related fields. These webinars bring together experts and professionals from diverse backgrounds, offering a space to learn about cutting-edge research, best practices, emerging tools that improve forecasting, communication, and public safety. By creating these opportunities for ongoing education, the committee ensures that NWA members remain at the forefront of innovation in the weather community. Our hope is always that you can join us live for the conversation, but we understand your schedule is busy, so we also offer recordings of all of our webinars. Looking ahead, the committee is committed to launching a mentor program designed to strengthen professional connections and cultivate the next generation of weather professionals. This initiative aims to pair seasoned experts with early career meteorologists, broadcasters, researchers, and other members, fostering relationships that promote skill development, career guidance, and personal growth. Through mentorship, we hope to create a more interconnected and supportive network within the NWA, empowering members to achieve their goals while enhancing the collective expertise of our community. If you're an NWA member and would like to be more involved, please consider joining our team. Simply email commissioner@nwas.org and express your interest. It's a fun and rewarding way to connect with others who share your passion, and it gives you a chance to contribute to our mission in a meaningful way.